Does anybody else have a cold? That's just edging them. Let me sneeze, Daddy.
I hate sneezing. Fun fact about me.
Your heart stops?
No, don't like the way it makes me feel. Once threw my back out sneezing. I'm a violent sneezer.
So are you ready?
Yeah, hold on.
I guess sometimes you can never really be surprised. I'm not surprised.
Hi. I'm sick. I have a cold. When I blow my nose. I actually hate sneezing. Fun fact about me.
Your heart stops?
No, don't like the way it makes me feel. Once threw my back out sneezing. I'm a violent sneezer.
I don't know if you're doing it right. I actually quite like sneezing. Sneezing for me, it's like some weird, freaky little release that I quite like, actually.
Yeah, a lot of people do.
30 sneezes wouldn't really bother me too much.
Oh, that's the worst for me.
Yep, when you get a 30 sneeze attack.
Terrible. Sneeze attacks are the worst. It'll wreck me. I once hobbled through a TJ Maxx as a result. It was terrible.
From sneezing?
Yep.
You know what? Some people aren't built to have a...
Watch it.
Some people aren't built for this planet.
Yeah. Sorry. Oh, stop scared. Yeah.
It's a whole lot of money. Oh my gosh, I'm so close to sneeze. Fuck.
Get off my...
Booby trap.
Yeah, the booby trap.
Yeah. I can feel they're swollen.
Is that enough nostril for you? I can feel it. But there's always tomorrow too. So. You, goodness. I wasn't expecting all that to come out. You can slow motion all that stuff, damn. Phew. Okay. Now roll I can. Yeah, maybe that was my real.
Didn't even tap it. I don't know how much I like you, Mr. Gingerbread Man. You're too small. Put a lot of compliments on you. Let's go to work.
Thank you. Aw, thank you. I caught that. I didn't have me to catch that, but.
Everything you said, we already knew, more or less. Well, here's something you didn't know. Two of those special atomic bombs are not. Something went wrong. Try again in a few seconds.
You sneeze all the time, now you don't want to sneeze.
Oh shit, sorry.
Went away?
I lost it.
Okay. Watch out. Do not, you sneeze on me. Are you doing this on purpose?
I lost it.
You keep sneezing on me, if you sneeze on me again, sheesh. I'm hella mad.
Now we're ready to go party.
Hey, first I want to say thank you to all of the Neese tribe. Subscribers and Patreon members, we could not do this without you. You guys keep us lifted up and support us.